Hi kids, it's Miss Lauren and Drakey, and today we're going to talk about the animals that fly through the sky.
Ooh, are you talking about me?
No, we're talking about birds. Birds are animals with feathers, and guess what? No other animals have feathers. Does a dog have feathers? What about an elephant? How about a lizard? Nope, that's right. Just birds have feathers. Feathers help birds fly and stay warm. The big ones help them fly, and the small ones help them feel cozy. Where do birds sleep? Drakey, do you know?
In a bird's nest?
Yeah, that's right, in a nest. And in that nest, they lay eggs. At some point, those eggs hatch, and baby birds come out of the eggs. Do you know what baby birds are called? Yeah, they're called chicks. One of the most interesting things about birds is that some of them can fly really long distances. Some of them just fly short distances, and some of them can't fly at all. Penguins and ostriches, even though they have feathers, they can't fly. The last thing we're going to learn about birds is that they don't have teeth. What do they have instead, Drakey?
Beaks!
That's right, they have beaks. And Drakey, do you think these beaks are sharp?
I think so, because they have to break out of their shell with their beak, right? And they have to eat with it too?
Yeah, that's right. They use their beaks to eat seeds, worms, insects, and more. I wish I could fly like a bird, or like you, Drakey. Which animal should we talk about next time? Come back soon and find out.
Bye!
Bye.